Perched on the best lot of Lake Petenwell, Wisconsin, this home is a front row seat to incredible lake views. Just minutes from world-class golf at Sand Valley and some of the best fishing in the state, this luxury timber-style retreat blends comfort, beauty, and location. Let's take a look inside. Welcome to a new season of Golden Eagle Log and Timber Luxury Home Tours. I'm Justin Jankowski. I've been with Golden Eagle for 20 years. We've designed over 6,000 homes throughout North America. And we take careful consideration when designing homes. We certainly want to optimize the design of the home to the property. And this is why. Look what we've done with this home. It literally feels like we're standing on top of the water with this property. The client came to us and wanted to take advantage of the spectacular views that they have. They took an inspiration from our original lake house home. The lake house design takes advantage of properties like this that are on a peninsula because of the large glass walls on both ends. With the prow here, you almost have a 270-degree viewing area of one of the largest lakes in Wisconsin. Each client comes to us with their own unique taste and design style. This home definitely has a nautical feel to it with a rustic twist. You can see here a Grady White captain's chair. Comment below on what your favorite feature is. I often get the question, can a timber home be a log home? And can a log home be designed as a timber style home? And the answer is absolutely yes. Our original lake house design was a log home. The client took that home as inspiration, made it their own, and made a timber version of the original lake house design. From the exterior facade that is timber, to the interior timber accents, and the hand-hewn timber posts and trim work throughout this home, it certainly is a timber style home. On the original lake house design, the loft spanned the entire distance to the kitchen. With this design, we opened up the view. And what I love about that is when your guests walk in, they're gonna see everything. Lakes all around them, the open loft above, the timber accents, and the miles and miles of water. Now these homes are certainly designed to let the outside in, a lot of natural light into the home. And there's gonna be times you're gonna wanna watch TV, but block some of that sun. Now it's easy to put shades or blinds in a rectangular or square shaped window, but have you ever seen this before? Shades in a triangular window? I'm sure you'll be seeing these in a lot of our new home designs. The client came to us and wanted a clear view of the spectacular lake. So we designed picture units here, which means they don't open, so you're gonna have a clear view unobstructed by any screens. Now they also wanted ventilation. So on the sidewalls, we went with casements. Now these windows will open up and allow ventilation to allow a nice cross breeze through the great room. And we repeated that same thinking on the other feature wall. So of the 6,000 homes that we've built throughout North America, each one is designed specifically for that location, for its wind load, snow load, and seismic load. Just take a look at how massive this wall is. We designed this tall wall to withstand the wind loading in this area. This is a 2x8 insulated wall. And then just look at how massive the trim is, the exterior trim. I mean, this wall is almost 2 feet thick. And with Pella windows, there's gonna be a ton of options. We're gonna help guide you through those choices. Well, this client came to us with energy efficiency in mind. So we went with triple-pane windows, low-E films, sun defense glass, and argon gas-filled windows. This is a wood window with maintenance-free exterior cladding in black color. You also have your choice of vinyl and fiberglass, as we'll see used in the master bathroom.